I was paid close to 2 million naira in April 2026 for just recommending digital products to people online using just my smartphone. You can see my credit alert, 750,000 naira and 1 million naira, close to 2 million naira in just 1 month. In the month of June 2026, I also got paid close to 3 million naira from this same business model of recommending digital products to people with just my smartphone. You can see the credit alert. I had to show credit alert so you don't say, oh, I'm just saying this is it to my GT bank account. And not just me, Mrs. Juliet, who is also doing this online business, was able to make over 2 million naira in a week with her smartphone recommending digital products to people. You can also see her testimonial here. She was like over 2 million naira made with my smartphone. And we also have Francisca. Francisca also made over $2,000. You can see her dashboard, over $2,000 in the month of March simply by recommending digital products to people with her smartphone. We have Naomi also, who made her first 1 million naira in less than 2 months from this same business model. You can see her testimonial. She said, late last year, I made my first million naira on StakeCut. StakeCut is one of the platforms we are using to recommend digital products to people, and she made lots of money after that. Mind you, other people in different African countries are also making money from this same business model. We have Toko from Malawi. Toko is someone from Malawi who made over 300,000 Malawi kwacha last year from this same business model. And we also have someone from Uganda who made over 160,000 Uganda shillings from this same business model. You can see her own testimonial. She said her 80k landed after she got paid another 83,000 Uganda shillings just from recommending digital products to people with her smartphone. We also have someone from Gambia. Like I said, this business is not limited to Nigeria. Whether you are from Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, you can do this business and make money using just your smartphone and internet connection. This lady in Gambia, she made over $200 from this business model. My name is Clement Udoh. I am an online business coach in Nigeria. In this webinar video, I'm going to be introducing you to the online business that you can start today with your smartphone to start earning from anywhere in Africa. So if this video was sent to you on WhatsApp, Telegram, or from one of my students, then I want you to know that you are lucky to get this video, but this video won't be available on the internet for long. Yes, this video I'm going to show you how me and other people are making money from this business model and how you can get started from anywhere in Africa. But this video is not for everyone, so ensure you put away all distractions and watch this webinar video to the end without skipping any part, because the information I'm about to share in this video is going to change your financial life in few months from now. Who is this video for? This webinar video is for students. This webinar video is for undergraduates, it's for 9-to-5 workers, it's for unemployed graduates, stay-at-home moms, and it's for anyone who wants to earn extra income online. If you do not belong to any of this field, but you're interested in making money online using your smartphone, this video is still for you. Now, who is this video not for? This webinar video I'm doing now is not for people that think all online money making opportunities are scam. So if you think that anything that people do to make money online is a scam, then this video is not for you. This video is not for people who are lazy to put in the work required to earn from this business model. Yeah, this business model work is involved. If you are the lazy type that don't want to put in the work to earn, then this webinar video is not for you. And also, I also want you to note that this business model I'm about to tell you how you can get started today. I want you to know that this business model is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not your regular get rich quick scheme. So it's not a tax performing job model. Oh. This business is not a referral business. It is not a refer and earn business. Neither is this business model a Ponzi or investment scheme business. No. If you think that this business model is just what I listed now, then I'll advise you to stop watching this video and continue with your normal life. But if you're interested in learning how this business works, then let's proceed. Now, this online business I want to introduce you to that is making me lots of money with my smartphone today is called affiliate marketing. So what is this affiliate marketing all about? Affiliate marketing in simple terms is a business model where you recommend valuable products and services to people that solve their problem, and you get paid a commission for it. You don't need to have the product, you don't need to create a product, just recommend the product to people that needs it or that solve their problem, and you get paid a commission for it. We focus mainly on products, and not just products. The type of product we recommend to people online through this affiliate marketing is called digital products. These digital products are ebooks, video courses, and online programs. Why do we recommend digital products? Digital products are products that can be accessible on any mobile device. So when we promote this digital product, when people buy, since it's not a physical product, we don't need to ship it, that will cost extra money and all of that. We don't need to ship it to the person's location. No, this one is being sent online to them via email, and they get access to it in their mobile device, their laptop, or any of their mobile device. You don't need to create these digital products, because all these digital products, they are all created by top experts who have knowledge and experience in those fields or niche. Now let me shock you. Do you know that you yourself, you have been doing affiliate marketing all this while for free? Yes, you have been doing affiliate marketing for free. How? When you recommend businesses and products to your friend, relative, and loved ones, you are indirectly doing affiliate marketing, but you don't get paid for it. But if you join us today to recommend these valuable digital products to people from this same business model we are doing for free, you are going to be making money from it. I'm going to show you testimonials from people that are earning by recommending products through this business model. Pressure said affiliate marketing is the best online business I can recommend for you. You can see notification in her email that she earned $7 from recommending a product to someone. I also see from Good News Testimonial, he said, "Happy Sunday, joy always comes in the morning." You can see on his email, "Congrats, you've earned $7 as your commission for promoting a digital product on NSP." This person said, "I earned my first dollar online through affiliate marketing." Now, as we are earning money from this business, are we also withdrawing this money? Yes, we are withdrawing this money to our bank account. You saw my own testimonial where I showed you the credit alerts, the earnings that was paid to my bank account, right? Now, these are other people that are showing their own earnings. You can see this person placed a withdrawal of $10 and it was sent to his account. This other person, you can see, we just paid you, your $25 was sent successfully. You can also see this person as a student withdrawing from two affiliate accounts on the same day feels different. You can see her credit alert that is sent to her bank account. So you can see we're not just earning money, we are also withdrawing this money to our bank account. But how can you get started today? There are 5 steps needed in order for you to get started from this business model as a beginner. The first step is to sign up with an affiliate platform. There are various affiliate platforms online that you can sign up with. Now, these affiliate platforms are Staycut, NSP, Seller, Prompt, and Valpos. The affiliate platform that I'll be recommending you to start with first as a beginner is the NSP affiliate platform. Why should you start with the NSP affiliate platform? You are going to get access to high quality digital products you can recommend to people and earn commissions. You'll get instant payout to your bank/mobile money network in any African countries you are. You get to earn huge commissions from any product you recommend to people, ranging from 55% to almost 80%. Signing up on NSP platform is not free. But if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your own NSP affiliate account for free. Second step is to log into your affiliate dashboard and locate the product marketplace section to get access to various digital products you can recommend to people. So this is how the NSP affiliate dashboard looks like. If you look at the left hand side of it, the sidebar, you see dashboard, you see access course, you see product marketplace, sales, withdrawals, and all. So for you to get access to product that you can promote, you have to click on the product marketplace. When you click on the product marketplace, you are going to see products. Like these are 3 products that I'm showing right now. So you can see here, this is already on the product marketplace section. And you can see this product is $10 and the commission for this product is 70%. And that's why give you high commissions for recommending products to people. You can see this one 70%, this one 55%, this one 60%. So if you recommend this $10 product to someone, you are going to earn $7. Imagine earning $7 for a product of $10. Step 3, choose a hot digital product to recommend to people. Now we have different types of products. We have products that are hot. Hot products are products that are high in demand. These products are high in demand. People are in demand of it. People are demanding for this product. Now you can see on my dashboard, you see some products that you are seeing here, they wrote hot. These products are hot products. The step 4 is to recommend these hot products to people on social media. Now this is an example of the email you are going to get when you start earning commissions from recommending products to people. Now you can see my email inbox. You can see here, "Congrats, Clement Udoh. You've earned $6.20 as a commission for recommending a digital product on NSP. And the beauty of NSP is that when you earn in dollars, they pay you in your local currency. When I was showing you my credit alert, you can see that they were paying me in my local currency, which is Naira. You see others were paid in their local currency. The next step is to withdraw your earnings from your dashboard to your bank account. On your dashboard, you see this withdrawal option. You click on withdrawals, then you click withdraw. When you click withdraw, make sure that you have linked your bank account to your dashboard. So these 5 steps I just listed now are all easy for you to do, except step 4, which is recommending these hot products to people on social media to earn commission. I have created a training program that will guide you on the best, fast and easy way to recommend these digital products to people on social media, even if you have little or zero followers. Inside this training program, you are going to learn how to recommend digital products to strangers on social media the right way, and you also learn how to create content that will get people's attention on social media. You also learn how you can earn commissions after recommending digital products to people online. You are going to get to know the best social media platform you use for your recommendation. You also learn what you are going to do to earn your first $100 in less than 90 days. This training program has been packaged into a video training guide for newbies like you, known as the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners program. So this guide is all you need to get started with affiliate marketing fully, so you can start earning in dollars and start making money like us. Now, without this training guide, you are going to struggle to or find it difficult to make money from this business like others. Now, these are conversations from people that decide not to get this training guide, decided to go and do it on their own, and they still came back to me because they were struggling. You can see this person was asking, how can I make money with affiliate marketing? I told the person by recommending. The person was like, how can I recommend? Because this person refused to get the training guide. He didn't know how to recommend the product, and he was asking me. This other person was saying, hi, please teach me how to make money on NSP, the steps in recommending goods. Do you know why this person said this? It's because this person have gone to do it on his own without getting the training guide. That's the reason why you need access to this training guide, so that you can learn how to recommend this product and to be able to earn from this business. But to get access to this AMB training guide is not for free. The short form for that guide is called AMB, which means Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. So getting access to this AMB training guide is not free. If I had made this program free for everyone, most people will not be able to implement what I taught in the guide. So this guide is only for serious people only, and it's for those who are serious about making money from this business with their smartphone. So this program is currently available for a price tag of just 20,000 naira. I know some people, as I've mentioned money now, they want to start leaving this video, but wait, before you leave this video, let me ask you this question. If you want to start a physical business that can make you lots of money, millions, or that will make you money to take care of your bills, how much capital would you need to start that physical business? I'm just asking. Would 20,000 naira or $20 be enough to start a physical business? Answer that question. Only shop rent for where you start your physical business, $20 cannot afford it. Even 20,000 naira cannot afford it. But with this 20,000 naira or $20, you can be able to start affiliate marketing with access to that training program. And when you get access to the training program, that training program is going to help you learn how to do the business, and you're going to make lots of money from this business like me and others. If you want to leave this video, ask yourself, with 20,000 naira, this 20,000 you are dodging from, or $20 you don't want to pay, is it going to help you start a physical business that you used to make money for yourself? No. So since 20,000 naira or $20 cannot help you to start a physical business, why not use that 20,000 naira or $20 to get access to this guide that will teach you how to do this online business that you can be making money for yourself? And these are testimonials of people that decided to use their 20,000 naira, their $20 to pay for the training program, and it changed their life for good. Princess Oma said, affiliate marketing has given me comfortability. It can only be God Almighty. A business I started with 20k. Did you hear what she said? She started it with what? 20k. That is 20,000 naira. She's in Nigeria. She started this business with 20,000 naira. And this business that she just paid 20,000 for the program has taught her how to recommend products to people online. And from that knowledge she got, she was able to make lots of money, that she moved from hostel where she was staying then to her own apartment. Are you seeing her apartment? Now see Chidima. Chidima say, a business I started with 20k made me a car owner. From 20k, she now become a car owner. Remember, some people that did not pay for a training guide, they were the ones that came to my WhatsApp and were telling me, how can they recommend? How can they recommend? You can see this person. This person said, 7 good months of taking the biggest decision of my entire life. See also Financial Bukumi. She said, There was a time I used to earn 10,000 naira monthly as a private school teacher. Whenever my boss added 1k, I would feel on top of the world. Now, I was paid almost 470,000 in 2 days from affiliate marketing. And see testimonials. So testimonials are plenty. People that decide to get access to the training program, they're the ones that are coming back to testify good. Why people that did not get access to the program, they're the ones that are coming to my DM to complain that how do I do it, how do I recommend, and all of that. So it's now left for you. You can see Lucia says she started her month with huge alert. She was paid 1 million naira. Why? Because she made a decision to get her hands on the affiliate marketing program. Same thing happened to Juliet. She was able to make over $12,000. Remember, any decision you make today is what will determine who you become tomorrow. Is what will determine your financial life tomorrow. So make sure you have to make the right decision for yourself. If you are intentional about earning from this business model, but the 20,000 naira price tag is currently a big setback for you, then I have a special offer for you. Note, this offer is limited for just the first 50 persons only. Instead of you to pay $20 or 20,000 naira for those in Nigeria to get started with affiliate marketing with access to this training program that will help you succeed as a beginner, I have decided to let you get started today for just 10,000 naira. If you are really interested in being part of this my special offer, you need to make sure that you secure your slot as fast as possible. But that's not all. There's more. I have special bonuses for those that is going to partake in my special offer. So if you're among the first 50 person that will secure the slot with 10,000 naira, then you also get access to my special bonuses that is worth over $50 for free. You will get NSP account for free. NSP account costs $7 for 1 year, but if you're among this first 50 person that pays the $10 or 10,000 naira, you'll get NSP account for free. You also get free weekly live classes with me on YouTube or Google Meet. This weekly classes is not free, but if you're among these 50 person, you get access to this class for free. You also get free DM support for the first 30 days. That means you can come to my DM to ask me any question in the first 30 days of you getting access to the program. And you also get a training certificate after completion. Remember that this special bonuses I just listed now is limited to only the first 50 person that are going to make their payment of $10 or 10,000 naira. This is how you can secure all those bonuses for free. Step 1. If you are outside Nigeria, get the equivalent of your $10 ready in the local currency of your country. The next step is to reply to the person that sent you this video that I am ready to make payment now. Now, for those that come across this video on YouTube, maybe you are watching this video, you saw it on YouTube, you can just type in the comment section, I'm ready to make payment. I will guide you on how to make payment. Okay, so you'll be guided on the next step on how to make payment when you reach out to that person, so you can secure your $10 slot. Or if you're in Nigeria, you secure your 10,000 naira slot. Finally, if you have any questions, you can ask the person that sent you this video for more clarity. So at this point, we have come to the end of this webinar presentation. I hope to see you join us anytime from now to start earning with us. It's just 50 slots now. So I wish you all the best, and I'll be expecting you to come and join us so we can make some money together. So see you on the other side. Bye.